Welcome everyone to my channel. Today we will learn some important properties and terms of matrix. Assuming that you have already learned what is matrix, what is adjoint of matrix, what is determinant of a matrix and what is transpose of a matrix. I hope it will increase your knowledge and it will help you in your competitive exam. So let's start. Let A be a square matrix having order n cross n. That means A is a matrix and order n cross n. That means let n be 3. So the matrix look like this. So first property is you have already know what is transpose and we will see A dot A transpose equal to A transpose into A, always same, and this is equal to I. That means this I is known as unity matrix and this look like 1 0 0 1, that means 2 cross 2 I, or 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, that means 3 cross 3. If A dot A transpose equal to A transpose dot A equal to I, then the matrix A is called a orthogonal matrix. So what is orthogonal matrix? If a matrix operates like this, then the matrix here, this A, is called a orthogonal matrix. When mod of A equal to 1, then the matrix A is called proper orthogonal matrix. Proper orthogonal matrix. And when mod of A equal to -1, then A is called non-proper or improper orthogonal matrix. Next, what is A inverse? You all know A inverse means adjointment of A divided by mod of A, where mod of A not equal to 0. Next, mod of adjointment of A equal to mod of A to the power n minus 1, where n means this n. So n equal to 1, 2, 3 dot 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 something. A dot B whole inverse equal to B inverse dot A inverse. Adjoint of K A. That means here K is a constant, like 1, 2, 3 dot 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 something. So here adjointment of Ka equal to K to the power n minus 1 dot adjointment of A. Here n means the order. Adjointment of A transpose equal to adjointment of A whole transpose. Next, mod of Ka equal to, where K is a constant like 1, 2, 3. So this means K to the power n into mod of A. Here n means the order of the matrix of A. Next, det of A inverse equal to mod of A inverse equal to 1 by mod A or det A. Next, K into A inverse whole mod equal to
K to the power n into A inverse whole mod.
That means K to the power n into 1 by mod A or 1 by det A. When mod of A equal to 0, then A is called singular matrix. And when mod of A not equal to 0, then A is called non-singular matrix. And last three are, when A square equal to A, then A is called idempotent matrix. A to the power m equal to 0, then A is called nilpotent matrix. A square equal to I, then A is called involuntary matrix. I will put a picture on my video at the end so that you can see the properties and note down the all properties.